Spouses versus married to sa title. Ano ba talaga ang difference? This is one of the most common misconception in property ownership. Kapag nakita nila sa title na spouses Juan and Maria, ang akala kagad nila is conjugal or community property. Pero kapag Juan de la Cruz, married to Maria, ang akala nila exclusive or paraphernal property. Wrong. Even if married to ang nakalagay sa title, pwede pa rin itong maging conjugal or community property. So paano mo malalaman? You need to check the date of marriage, mode of acquisition, date when the property was acquired. Here's the basic rule. If the property was acquired during marriage before August 3, 1988, if by a deed of sale, conjugal property. If by a deed of donation or inheritance, exclusive or paraphernal property. If the marriage is governed by the family code on or after August 3, 1988, if the property was acquired during marriage by a deed of sale, absolute community property. If the property was acquired through deed of donation or inheritance, exclusive or paraphernal property. So hindi lang sapat na tingnan o spouses or married to nakalagay sa title. Because the real basis is when the property was acquired, how it was acquired, and what property regime governs the marriage. For more land title tips, follow Conveyance.